we're gonna show you how to do these cute tumblers. So talk about a fun Valentine.
Those? I've seen those things where they have to put the goop all around them or whatever.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even know how they did them.
Yeah, amazing. Let's take a look. They're so simple and they look like they were store-bought.
And did you design that?
Yes, they are designed here, right here at MGQS.
Okay.
So let me take you through how easy this is. All right, first thing is you want to get a blank tumbler. All right, this is your 20-ounce tumbler. These are probably the easiest ones to do. What you do is you print out the file that you are purchasing on our website. You just easily print that out and you print it out on your Brother Sublimation printer. All I did was I cut it out right on the lines.
Okay.
So the next thing that you want to have is heat-resistant tape. You also want to make sure that you're going the right way up. Ask me how I know that one. Yeah. So you can see here that I have pulled this. I'm pulling it up to the top because I don't want to have any white showing at the top. And then I bring my other piece over and I'm going to like pull on this. I'm taking my heat-resistant tape and pulling over top, just like that.
What if I didn't have heat-resistant tape?
You gotta have heat-resistant tape, my friend. So definitely pick some of that up. Notice that I have pulled this over and I brought the tape over. I wanna put this as tight as possible.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna go all the way down. So what I was mentioning was that we have an Amazon affiliate link, okay? Because there are literally hundreds. You saw it, right? Mm-hmm. I mean,
yes.
How much is there to choose from? Oh, so many.
It's overwhelming.
Things. It's a little overwhelming, isn't it? But you're just taping all around this edge. I'm gonna now go like this, just to get it nice and sealed.
Oh, okay.
Let's now do the bottom. And
you gotta do the bottom too?
Yeah. So what we're trying to do is we're just trying to seal this so that there's no air coming into this. Okay, guys, this is the tumbler press. I have a glove because it's going to get really hot.
Oh, okay.
Because of this being metal.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this right in here. So what this does is this automatically closed in on the tumbler for 60 seconds. And then it's going to open it up automatically, and it's going to close in on the tumbler again for another 60 seconds. So now we're down to 12 seconds.
Because it didn't go all the way around it.
Exactly. That's what's so cool about this is because it will know to turn it around. You'll see that here in just a moment. Everyone keep your eyes on this very closely. See what's happening? It's opening it up and now it's going to turn it.
Oh, it's got a turner on the bottom.
See how it's turning? And now it closes in on itself again. And it does it for another 30 seconds, and then that's it. That's it, and you're done.
It was so amazing how easy it was.
Right.
You're like, oh, this is a lot of work. Yeah. There's a lot of work. No.
Now, this is very, very hot. That's why I have heat-resistant gloves on right now. All right, so I need to just kind of get that going.
You're leaving the gloves on while you do this.
Oh, yeah. It's still hot, my friend. Oh, look at that. It's like Christmas.
It is. And it doesn't matter that you're touching it. It won't smear or anything.
Nope. Look at that.
Wow.
Ah! How cute.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, my gosh. I'm dying. This is so cute. Look at that, guys.
Wow.
Look how easy that was.
And that's not sharp.
No, it's not sharp. And then it comes with the straw. It comes with the little lid. Roses are red. Besties are better. Who else should I give this to but you?
Oh, you're so nice.
Just take your glove.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Let me have the glove because I need this now.
There we go.
I want one.
It takes just a few minutes for it to cool down. But because it's metal.
I'm so cool.
So much fun.